Morning students. Today I teach you maths class 3 subject maths, and today's topic is multiplication. What topic here? Multiplication. First you know what is the multiplication. Multiplication. It is your topic. What is multiplication? Multiplication is called multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay, multiplication is a repeated addition. So but today my topic is to multiply two digit numbers by two digit numbers. Okay, topic is multiply two digit number by two digit number. So you see here multiplication your topic today's. Okay, first so multiply two digit number by two digit numbers. It means you see here first I am written ones place, tens place. Okay, and 2 4 multiply by 2 4 by multiply 2 4. Okay, so 4 table you first read, and 4 is which place? Ones place. Okay, so this 4 table you read first ones place number, it means 4 times. So 4 4s are what? 4 4s are 16. So you write first 16. Okay, 6 carry what? Carry 1. Okay, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 carry is what? 9. So you write again 9. Second, first ones place number you give multiply sign. What you give? Multiply sign. And again you multiply 2 to 4. 2 4s are 8. So you write again 8. Again tens place what present 2. So again 2 to you to multiply 2. Then 2 2s are 4. So you write again 4. Now first step you write the question this type 24 two digit numbers, it means 2 4 2 digit, and multiply set two digit number 2 4. So 4 4s are 16 k 6 carry 1, 4 2s are 8 1 9, and 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. And last step is you do add both the numbers. It means 4 product and again 2's product. Both product do you add. So 6 and here is what sign multiply, it means 6 and 8 9 17. 17 7. 8 plus 9 equal to 17. So 17 7 carry 1. 4 plus 1 5. So answer is what? 576. 576. Second more example you see here. It is A number, B number, 25 ones place, tens place, multiply by 37. Again you see here 25 multiply by which number? 37. So 7 table you read how many times? 5 times. So 7 5s are what? 7 5s are 35. So 35 k 5 right first you, and left carry what? 3. Carry is what? 3. So 7 2s are again 7 table again 2 times read. 7 2s are 14 and carry is what? 3. So 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3 what? 14 plus 3 equal to 17. 14 15 16 17. So you write 17 complete here, because these two after left side any other number not present, so you complete number right. First see again one time. 7 5 ja 35 k 5 carry 3, and 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 carry 3. So 14 plus 3 equal to 17. 1 7 17. Again you do here, give here multiply sign and read 3 table how many times? 5 times. 3 table 5 times. It means 3 5s are 15. So 15 k 5. Again carry is what? Carry is 1. So again 3 2s are 3 table 2 times. So 3 2s are 6 and carry 1. 6 carry 1 7. So you write here 7. And now last step is to add. First step this one 7 to multiply to. It is first step. Second step again 3 to do multiply 25. Second step. And third step, that is do add. So 5 here is nothing, anything, it means multiply sign already. So 5 here down to like 5, and 10th place 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 equal to what? 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So 12 के 2. Again carries what? Carries 1. So 7 plus 1 8, and carry 1. 8 and 1 9. So answer is what? 925. 925. So today's topic, multiply 2-digit number by 2-digit number. You see here 2-digit number, it is 24. Again it is what called? It is called multiplicand. Which number to any other number to you to multiply, that number is called multiplicand. And this one down 24 is multiplier, and this one is product. Any multiplication factor 3 parts: one multiplicand, one multiplier, and one product. So you see here more some example properly. And see here question number C. 1 10 3 5 35 multiply by 27. Okay, so it is called multiplicand. And this one is multiplier. Okay, so multiplicand is what? 35, multiplier is 27. Again you first two question I am solving, that time this one also solve too. So 7 table first read 5 times. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So 35 के 5 right, and carries what? Carries 3. First 7 table 5 times. Then 7 5s are 35 के 5 carries 3. Again 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21, and carries what left it? 3. So 21 plus 3. 21 plus 3 equal to 24. So you write here 24. And down to again you give one multiply sign, first place. And now second number, that is 2. 2 to again you to multiply 5. 2 5s are 10. So 10 की 0. Carry 1. Again 2 3s are 6, and carry 1. 6 and 1 7. So you do now add. Last step, that is you do both products add. It means 5 and here multiply sign. So 5 and 4 and 0 4 and 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Answer is what? 945. And it is called product. So I am telling to you, in multiplication factor 3 part. One multiplicand, second one multiplier, and third one is product. When you any number to multiply other number, that is called multiplication. See here 27 to I multiply 35. So 35 is multiplicand and 27 is multiplier, and last one 945, that is product. Okay, thanks.